Creating an online course in LearnWorlds is simpler than you might think, and today I'm going to show you how to get started quickly with this platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build and launch a course on LearnWorlds, and I'll share some exclusive insights into alternatives that might be better for your course building goals. First things first, when you sign up for LearnWorlds, you're going to start with a clean slate. After logging in, go straight to the dashboard and click on Create a New Course. From here, you'll be able to set the basics like your course title, description, and price. You can even choose to make it free or paid depending on your goals. This is the first key step that gets the ball rolling. Next thing, you'll be taken to the course builder. This is where the magic happens. LearnWorlds gives you a drag and drop interface that makes it easy to add content like video lectures, PDFs, quizzes, and assignments. You can break your course into modules and lessons to keep things organized, and the best part is that it supports multimedia content to keep your students engaged. However, compared to other platforms, the layout can feel a little basic at first, so if you're looking for something more dynamic, you might want to stick around for what I'll mention later. The third thing, as you build your course, don't forget to personalize the user experience. LearnWorlds offers custom branding options, so you can upload your own logo, choose colors, and even change the design of the course page to make it feel more like your brand. However, if you're looking for deeper customization, like adding complex automation or more detailed integrations, this platform might leave you wanting more. Next, you'll want to set up the course payment system. LearnWorlds integrates with Stripe and PayPal, which is great, but the transaction fees can be a bit steep. That's something to keep in mind if you're planning on scaling your course business. The fifth thing, once your course is ready, it's time to launch. You can either make your course public or keep it private for a select group of students. Don't forget to add a sales page and optimize it with compelling copy and visuals. LearnWorlds provides templates, but again, if you want more flexibility in design, the options here are limited compared to some competitors. Here's a crucial point to keep in mind. While LearnWorlds is good for creating courses and managing content, it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility and marketing tools that some other platforms do. If you're looking to build a powerful marketing funnel to attract new students, you may want to consider some alternatives. Now, here's something interesting. I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you're interested in LearnWorlds, there's a fantastic extended free trial available through the link in the description. But, and this is important, I also want to give you some alternatives that might be better suited to your goals. These platforms offer free trials too, and I'll give you the rundown on why they might be a better fit for you. Through the link in the description, you'll not only get the best free trial available, but also exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So make sure to check that out if you want to dive deeper into course creation with LearnWorlds or explore those other alternatives. And that's it. You now know how to create an online course in LearnWorlds. Don't forget to check out those alternatives for an even better course building experience. Thanks for watching.